Hi, ladies. Hello, happy Sunday. I'm Casey Tyler, and I am a Color Street independent stylist, and I'm coming on live to welcome you all to the Sneak Peek group. This week, you're going to meet a lot of the stylists on my team, and we're all going to come and show you a little bit about the business behind the scenes of our Color Street businesses. And we're all just going to talk about the things that we love most about this business and why we joined. I personally joined Color Street back in February of 2019. I tried the nails. I bought them from a party. I did not know what a Facebook party was. I didn't know what a Facebook group was. I didn't know what was going on. All I knew is that my friend Crystal was going to get freebies if I bought something, and so I bought something. Then I went on the website and saw they were buy three, get one free, and I was like, well, of course I'm going to get the free one, right? So I bought the 4-pack. And then I got them and didn't know what they were. So I set them aside for a couple of months. And then one day I tried them on, and that was it. After one strip, I was done. So I called Christy, who did Crystal's party, and I said, I need to give you my credit card number. I need the discount. How do I get it? So I signed up that night, and then I found out that I could get commissions and hostess rewards if I did my own Facebook party. So I did a Facebook party. And then I saw this weird number, and I was like, what is that, Christy? She was showing me around our virtual office, and she's like, oh, that's your commission. And I was like, oh, okay. Is that like points or something? She's like, no, that's your money. And I'm like, my what? She said, that's your money. And I'm like, that's money? How do I get this out? You know, like a Vegas machine. I was like, where do I push cash out? Like, what buttons do I push here? So anyway, she helped me get my pay account set up so I could get the money out of the Color Street account. And that was it for me. So then I went and told my friends that they needed to do a party with me. And they were like, okay. And then that was a year and a half ago. I've promoted all the way to executive director, and I have an amazing team under me. I am a degreed accountant, and I no longer have to do that 50 hours a week. I have my own little nail polish business now. I'm a boy mom, and I'm doing virtual learning with 2 elementary school kids who are in 1st and 3rd grade. So they take a lot of work. And I have a 2-year-old. So I get to do my business during nap time. Sometimes I wake up a little bit early. Sometimes I stay up a little bit late. But pretty much nap time is when I get all my work done. And then my husband makes dinner. So I work right up until dinner. And that's me as a leader. When I first started, I was working full time. And so I basically did it during my lunch breaks. And I had just had a baby. So I did it during my pump breaks. And then at night, because I did not wake up early back then. I barely do now. And I've been able to grow this team and promote to executive director and make this my full-time job. And I am very close to it replacing my full-time job income. So I've been extremely blessed by this business. It's actually insane that I can do this and do this as my job, and pay off my student loans with nail polish money. It's crazy. So I know you're curious because we all are. To start your Color Street business, you basically just purchase the starter kit. Then your journey is your journey. You can go whichever direction you want. Our team likes to start you off with a launch party, and that helps train you on parties. It is a very much a party-driven business, but it's unique to each individual stylist, so it's up to you how you want to do it. But I want to show you what you get for your $129 besides the business part. Because what business can you start for $129? I don't know. I've started several businesses, and it takes a little bit more than that because even a printer costs that. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what comes in the kit. So this is what a starter kit looks like. You buy this. It's about $150 with tax and shipping. And you get this sweet little box. And by the way, when you sign up, do not throw away your box, because one day you're going to be me. And you're going to want to show off what you got when you signed up, when you're starting to build your team. Okay, so da-da-da-da. I don't have any background music. So this is what comes in a starter kit. All right. So you have a little letter from Fa Park, our founder. He is an amazing guy, and I heard that so many times when I first started, and I was like, whatever. Who cares? I'm having fun. But once you get to know him in terms of his passion for this company, then you start to appreciate him because he is the lead of this company, and this is his baby. He took about 30 years to launch this product. So he will never sell out. He will never quit on us. And he's constantly coming up with new ideas. He's so driven about it. So we're always going to have new collections coming out, new promotions, new incentives. Not only that, but this man and his wife and his leadership team, the corporate leadership team, place a high importance on giving back. And that's not just through the foundation, which has given over $2 million to several organizations, but to us. They take care of us so much as stylists because they know we're the ones out there. We're their face. And so they are in constant communication with us. They are constantly incentivizing us. I got like, I don't know how many roses. It was like 24 roses just out of nowhere. I had no idea. I didn't do anything to earn it or anything. He just sent it. And like, it was me. I think people of a certain level all got it. It was just a gift out of the blue. So those kinds of things are so incredible to have. You don't get that with every job. And you definitely don't get that in a type of business like this. But there's something different and there's something unique about him as a founder and about Color Street corporate office. We have the ability to basically ask for what we want and they address it. So that is cool because you sometimes can't even approach a boss because you don't even know what mood they're going to be in. And if they're going to receive your criticism or your suggestions, like those things don't always happen. And I've worked for some tyrants. So it's like, this is major. And then you get to control your business, your personal business. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, so here's this cute little picture and a sweet little letter that you get. And then you get these how to apply, just, instructions in case you've never tried the strips. And then let's get to the meat of it because I mean, those are cute and all, but they're just blocking what you get. So in your kit, you are going to get 72 of these little accents. And I have a bunch over here. But you get 72 of these. These are called twosies. They are called 2-finger testers. They're called accent nails, whatever you want to call them. They're basically what you give out as samples so people can try the strips. So you get 72 in your kit, and then you can purchase them after as a business supply. And you get them in bundles of 50 for $19. See that? And right now they're doing mystery bundles because of COVID. But in the, back in the past, you were able to select if you got a glitter, a design, a French, or a solid. And we'll get back there one day. But right now it's kind of, they do what they have. But I mean, for me, it's just the actual strip, how it works is the point of the sample, not necessarily, the design. Although they're so good as accents, so I don't really care what I get. But so that comes with 72 of those accents, right? And then you get these 2 Color Street nail files, these big giant nail files. These are really cool. You can keep them for yourself. You can give them away as giveaways to your customers. You can do them as gifts, whatever you want. They're super cool. And these are also something we're able to purchase more of as a business supply. And then we get these 2 like buffer blocks. They're also branded Color Street. And you can also buy these again and give them away as gifts. Whatever you want to do with these. I keep 2 on hand so I can always show off the starter kit. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what comes in the bottom first. And then we'll talk about what comes in the rest of the top. Because you know what I'm going to talk about in a minute. Okay, so then you get this little package of nail files here. So you get 60 mini nail files. So you can send these out with samples. You can have them on hand at events, however you want to manage these. I don't send them at all. I just add them as like little gifts. I don't put them with my samples because you don't even need a file. You get also these wooden cuticle sticks. You get 50 of these. They come in a little bag. I could not find my bag. I bet you it's somewhere. It's downstairs. But anyway, you get 50 of these. These are amazing because they help you. They're just like a cute little tool. And again, you can use it as gifts. You can give it away with samples, whatever you want to do. When I do a sample, I only do the twosie and the prep pad. I don't give any of these. So you can, I use them as gifts. So for me, it's like they gave me gifts to give out to build my business. So I love that. You get some prep pads. So these are the alcohol wipes. You actually get 100 prep pads in your kit, and they're branded Color Street prep pads. Now, after you use these up, see, they're cute. After you use these up, you can purchase more in your VO, your virtual office, just like anything else I'm showing you. Or you could just buy them on Amazon. They don't have to be branded. So you don't have to spend a lot on these prep pads. I buy them in bulk on Amazon. I literally have like boxes of them. So I just get them for cheaper, you know, the more you buy. Then you also get these cool polish remover pads. These, again, are another thing that I don't send out with all my samples. I use these as giveaways. They're also really good to have on hand at events. So if somebody wants to try it, but they have their nails polished, we can remove their nail polish and put on a Color Street strip. You can also just put the strip on top of their polish, and it'll work. Then you get some catalogs. These upside down. These are the fall winter catalogs. See that? And these are really cool to send out. I am on, when they come out with a new line, I send out catalogs with all of my orders that I fulfill. And then you also get these green brochures. These are called opportunity brochures. And inside this, it talks about the business. So it's a great way to just sort of pass information along about starting a business, a Color Street business. And then you could build a team, and you could be a diamond rank stylist making $10 bazillion a year. And then you get this amazing bag. And this is actually an old bag. I have another one. So this one is, you get an embroidered bag in your kit. This one is the one I got in my kit back in February of 2019. And they were not embroidered back then. But you get an embroidered tote. It's super cute, and you can use it to carry around all your nails. When I used to work, I used to stick my nails in this tote bag, and whenever all the ladies saw me walk into the office with this bag, they knew that Mama was bringing nails, and they needed to stop by and shop. So that's your little walking advertisement there. One of the other cool things is, like, you can get paid on the prepaid card, not the prepaid card. I guess you can get your commissions transferred to a Color Street like debit card, and it's branded also. So it's really cute. It's white with, you know, colored dots and all that. And so people will be like, oh, what is that? So it's a great way to just start a conversation about your Color Street biz. Okay, so before I show you the nail part, there's one more thing that I think often gets overlooked by new stylists. It sure did, you know, get overlooked by me. I never filled mine out. But when I started, I was not starting a business. I was supporting a habit. So for me, I kind of grew into a business. But if you're joining with business in mind, this little guide, it's called The Road to Success. This is a gem. It's cute. It's kind of small. Depending on your size purse, you can stick it in your purse, which I'm sure you could probably fit it in your purse. And it has the compensation plan. It just has everything in here. Our Jumpstart bonus program. It has the, you know, tips for success. We call it Color 10 Success. It has, this is my favorite part, just tips on basically getting started in your business. But this is my favorite part. It has this little section called Connect. And what we do is we encourage you as a new stylist to start a list of contacts, essentially. And it has just all these different types of people that could be in your life or that you could come across that will just help jog your memory for specific people who you might want to add to your contact list. And then you have the blank lines. So you can write their contact information here. You know, when you send them a sample, you can just fill this out and carry this around with you. So whenever you get a new person or you come across a new person, you just add it to your little list here, and then you can kind of mark down when you sent them a toozy, and then you can follow up with them and do all of that. And it's just amazing. And then it talks about how you can basically start your business. So like live nail bars, online nail bars, that's basically a party. We call them nail bars because it's fancy. Social media, one-on-one sit downs, sharing the two-finger testers, which are these little samples. And then it talks about the hostess program, your hostess rewards, because when you are a Color Street stylist, you not only get commissions, you get hostess rewards. So we also get free product. So we don't buy at a discount. Like we don't have to buy and then resell something. Like we can literally get it for free and then sell it. I said that. Did you hear that? I said that. It's crazy. All right. And so then there's like tips on basically how to do that, how to introduce the product to somebody, what to say if they like how to listen, tips on listening, and tips on responding to an objection. And it's just so many. This is just such a little gem, I'm telling you. It's amazing. It also has the how to contact customer support. Anyway, a whole bunch of good stuff. Your success tracker. So this thing, I think, is one of the most overlooked tools that we get in our kit. But I want to encourage you, when you sign up, I want to encourage you to utilize this little booklet, because you're going to wish you did if you don't do it. Okay, who's ready? Can I get a drum roll, please? Okay, I'm not good at that. Now, here's what you get in your kit, okay? So I'm going to do the math on this real quick because I already know that I've already done the math once, okay? So this, you get 13 sets. When I signed up, it was the same $129, and we got 10 sets. Colorstreet has hooked us up. They increased the kit sets by 3 sets. So you get 13 full sets, right? In addition to those 72 twosies, the 72 the samples. You get a $14 French tip set. You get 2 solids. So these are $11 each. You get 2 glitters. These are $12 each. You get 5 designs. 5 designs. By the way, bloody gorgeous. Current obsession. 5 designs, okay? So that's $13 each. Okay? So I'm up to $125 now. And I'm not even done yet. So when I bought my kit, I got $125 in nails. Now, you also get 2 petites. So these are $12 and $13. So now we're up to $150. Okay? And you get a pedicure set. So if you've never tried the petite or the pedicure or the French, you get them in your kit and you can try them out and see if that's something, sometimes you don't want to buy them for yourself because you're not too sure about them, but now you're getting them in your kit so you can try them out and then you can speak from experience. So that's $162 in nails in this kit. $162 that you get for $129, which comes out to about $150, maybe a little bit more with tax and shipping. Yeah, it's crazy. And then you get all those. So if you turn around and just sell those sets in your kit, then you get $162 back. So I could have stopped before that pedicure set, or I could save a glitter for myself and sell all those and then keep all the supplies, all the accent nails, all, the goodies in there, the bag and all of that. And basically I paid $0 for that. It's crazy. So that is what comes in a starter kit. We look forward to answering your questions all week. Let us know if you have them. I'll do a post that prompts you to answer them. And you are welcome to post and comment and do whatever you want within this group. We want to make sure that you're getting the information that you want and need so you can make an informed decision. I hope you love my team. I know you will, because I love them. And I have great taste. So have a great rest of your Sunday and stay tuned because we have more for you. Bye.